Hello dear traders, this is Petko Alexander from EA Forex Academy, and I continue now from the account where I have left the three portfolio expert advisors. So you can see how many trades are open currently. Basically with the blue lines you see the open trades or the open price, and with the red lines you see the stop loss and the take profit. If I just zoom out a little bit, you will see the range is really big. Some of the strategies have bigger stop loss, some has smaller stop loss and take profit. So we are not really focusing on the open trades. You can see them right over here. Currently I have about negative of 40 as a result, and you can see too many trades are open, but we are not looking at open trades because the result changes. But what we are looking at is the account history where we have the closed trades, okay, the closed result. And you can see I have $125 with 0.01 lot. So with the account history, it is really hard to follow the performance of the expert advisors. Let me make it a little bit bigger. On the right side we have the comment where we can recognize which expert advisor opened the trade and closed it, and they are arranged now by comment. Okay, so for example, the expert advisor with magic number 60030, which is an expert advisor on H1, because we said with 60 we start the magic numbers for H1 chart, and this is strategy number 30. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and it is easy to calculate it, right? But if I look at it tomorrow or after some time, there will be more trades. I will need to recalculate it again, and doing that for hundreds of strategies is very hard. And actually the strategies on M15, of course, they open a lot of trades. It will take you longer time to calculate those. Alright, so it is time consuming to follow the performance by looking the results in the account history. So what I do, and I have shown that in some of my courses, is I like to connect the account to a website called Forex Blue. So please don't take this website as a recommendation because we are not connected to this website, and I just use it to follow the results of the account. And you can see here I have detailed statistic for all of the strategies. I have number of trades that were open and closed, gross profit, gross loss. I have the net profit, which is the most important. I have profit factor, winners, losers, and if I scroll to the right, you will see that I have too many trades like average win trade, average loss, average trade, best trade, worst trade, longest, shortest, and many others. You have the net pips, which is very interesting, something I like to look at as well, and many others. Now this thing we don't have it in MetaTrader. Okay, what we have in the account history is where the trade was open, where was the stop loss, where was the take profit. With green you will see where the trade hit the take profit, and in red you will see when the trade hit the stop loss. And you see the time and you see the price, and pretty much that's it. We don't see a lot, we just see the result there. Okay, which makes it very hard to decide which strategies here are making profit currently and which strategies are losing, because we said that every strategy has its losing phase and it has its winning phase. So we want to trade the strategies that are in their winning phase. Here I will concentrate on the profit factor and on the number of trades that were opened and closed. Now for those of you who didn't watch any of my other courses where I show how to connect the account to this website, I will show it very quickly. You need to go to Forex Blue Live where you come to the website. So let me log out, and you will see that I have here account synchronization, and I have the register option for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, depends what you are using. It's possible for CTrader as well, but at the moment I am using for the purpose of this course BetTrader 4 and account synchronization. So I click on register, and here I will need to enter the broker server that I have been using. After that, you enter your account number and the read-only password, which normally comes when you register. They send it via the email, or if they don't, you will need to ask them via the chat, which is provided by the broker, or write them an email, anything. They need to send you this read-only password. It's called investor password as well, and it is needed to connect the website to your account. Below you enter your email and you click on register. That's it. Then you will have one account synchronization button which you need to click. Nothing really complicated. Actually, here it is, account synchronization. You need to click on it and you click on save changes, and it will be saved and your account will be synchronized to the website. Okay, so here you have the statistic. You can see that I am running the account for 10 days now, and if I go to strategy, I see this statistic that I showed to you. Actually, there is so much more here on the top. You can look at the symbol. Obviously, I have only pound dollar in this account. You can look at the direction. For example, at this time I have similar results to the long trades and to the short trades. Symbol plus direction, month, still we are in the first month. Week, you can see that previous week was on positive and this week is still a little bit on a negative. Over here you can see the day performance and so on, okay, hourly performance and so on. So going to strategy, as I said, I will concentrate on the trades and on the profit factor. So you can arrange the strategies according to the number of trades, according to the net profit. You will see the ones that have most losses on the top, or if I click one more time, I will see the strategies that have most net profit at the moment, or you can arrange them by the profit factor. And this is exactly what I want to do. Now, if you remember, when I was generating the strategies, I selected in the acceptance criteria to have strategies with profit factor higher than 1.2. Okay, so you see this strategy is already 119 and the above one is 139. So all of these strategies, they have profit factor higher than 1.2. Now below are strategies that are with lower profit factor, and you will see that most of them are having losses. Now more, if I scroll down, you will see that for some strategies there is no profit factor, and this is because these strategies either have only profits. For example, you can see from here till here, and there are these three strategies at the bottom that had only losses, so they don't have profit factor. A strategy needs to have profit and a loss, so a profit factor could be calculated. Now I want to remove from the account the strategies that have profit factor lower than 1.2, but at the same time to have more than 5 trades executed. Okay, because obviously if one strategy traded only 2 times, these are 2 consecutive trades, and you can see the profit factor here is 109, and 2 trades means 1 positive, 1 negative. It's really hard to say if this strategy is in winning phase or it is in losing phase. But a strategy that has a lower profit factor, and for example, let me find one. Alright, this one over here already had 8 trades and it has negative of 2, which is still very small loss, but having 8 trades and having this small profit factor, it gives me a sign that the strategy could be in its losing phase. Okay, and especially the 3 strategies below which have only losses, and especially the last one which already have 7 trades and $13 of a loss, this is the strategy I want to remove from the account. Okay, I don't want it to continue trading. Could be the chance that the strategy now will switch and will start showing me profit, but I don't want to hope on that. I don't want to take this risk. And below you can see actually that the total net profit is $125, but keep in mind that this is trading with 0.01 lot. If I have selected to trade with 0.1, that would be $1,252. And of course, if you trade with a complete lot, that would be $12,523, but you need huge account to trade with one complete lot. And I prefer to show in the courses trading with 0.01. So this way I want to encourage you to test every system with a small trading lot and of course on a demo account first. Alright, so this system is a system that I have been using recently and it works fine for me. That is why I decided to share it in this course. I keep the strategies that have profit factor higher than 1.2 in my trading account, and the strategies that have profit factor below 1.2 and have more than 5 trades, I will remove them from the account and I will continue trading with the rest. Okay, so this is how I filter the strategies with the website. It is very easy, and especially when you're having 100 strategies or even more, it is not possible to do that from the account history of the MetaTrader. It will take you long time, and you will need to calculate profit factor. For example, you need to sum the profits and you need to sum the losses, and then you calculate the profit factor. It's really time consuming, which is much easier with this website, and this is why I have been using it and I share it in this course as well. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. In the next lecture I will show you how I remove the strategies that have profit factor below 1.2 and already have 5 trades opened and closed or 5 executed orders. I will see you in the next lecture. Cheers!